بدي سيارة or بدي السيارة. Do you hear a difference between both? So I'm gonna say it again. بدي سيارة, بدي سيارة. This is, I said it faster right now. Another one is بدي شنطة, بدي الشنطة. It's a very, very, very small difference between them, but it actually makes a huge difference in the meaning. So this is what we call the sun and the moon letters. Okay, so we have the in Arabic is l, l. So l means the in Arabic. Now we have something called the sun and the moon letters. So, for example, if we have the and then we have the first letter of the word is, for example, the moon letter, then you will hear the letter lam in L, if that makes sense. If the first letter of the word start with one of the sun letters, then we will skip the lam and we will not pronounce it. Examples. So before I give you examples, let me tell you really quick what are the sun letters. The sun letters are sa, sha, sa, da, ta, the, dal, the, ra, zen. Or really quick, da, the, ra, zen, sin, shin, sa, da, ta, the. So these are, if you notice, these are just following each other actually in the alphabet, right? So da through the, these are the sun letters. So when we have L with these letters, we will not pronounce the lam. So the way we would pronounce it is, for example, سيارة, we would say السيارة, not السيارة. So السيارة, it's like starts with the e. السيارة. Now, if there is no L, no the with the words card, سيارة, we would say سيارة. So السيارة or سيارة. Now, when we say it fast or we say it regular, this is where it gets a little hard when we say like بدك سيارة, بدك سيارة. But if you focus, you will feel like there is a pause when there is no L between the words. So notice here, بدك سيارة, بدك سيارة. There's a pause, but when we say بدك السيارة, it's like we're combining all together. بدك السيارة. So this is what we call the sun and the moon. Now, honestly, when I teach my students, I don't like to spend so long on this because even native speakers, like if you ask me what are the moon letters or what are the sun letters, we not, it's not like all native speakers they know them and we are aware of them and all that. It's just it comes naturally. But it is good to know because sometimes students ask like where did the lamb go, why we didn't hear the lamb. So it is important to understand it, but you don't need to like worry much about it and spend so much time like studying the moon and the sun and all this. It is just good to be aware of what's going on. Make sure you follow me. Actually, in my intermediate level workbook, if you are intermediate level, I do have some sentences with the la, el, like the, to practice. It's not the sun and the moon, but it's something else like the car is white, sentences like that to practice. So if you want to get it, it is on sale right now, so check it out and follow me and press like if you like my podcast. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon.